When people replace screens, oftentimes the proximity sensor stops working. In this video, I'll show you one way to fix it that works 90% of the time. You'll need electrical tape and scissors. In this diagram, you can see that the ambient light sensor and the proximity sensor are next to each other. What happens is that when you remove the screen, the middle foam piece is also removed. This affects the sensors. So all you need to do is just cut a thin strip of tape and place it where the foam is supposed to be.